If you're seeing a SurveyMonkey Error 503, don't worry just yet, because in most cases this is a temporary server-side issue, and it can often be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the best step-by-step methods to fix SurveyMonkey Error 503 quickly and safely, so you can get back to creating or taking your survey without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tech fixes just like this. Let's go ahead and jump in. First, the most important step is to wait and try again. A 503 error usually means the service is temporarily unavailable, so give it about 5 to 30 minutes if you can. After that, refresh the page and try again. In many cases, the issue clears up automatically once the server stabilizes. Next, refresh the page manually by pressing F5 on your keyboard or clicking the reload button in your browser. Sometimes the page just needs a quick refresh to reconnect properly. If that doesn't work, check your internet connection next. A weak or unstable network can make a normal website error look much worse than it really is. Restart your Wi-Fi router if needed, or switch to another network, such as mobile hotspot or a different internet connection. Then test SurveyMonkey again. After that, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can interfere with websites loading correctly. Open your browser settings, find the Privacy or History section, and clear the cache and cookies. Once that's done, close the browser completely and reopen it before trying SurveyMonkey again. If the issue still continues, try using Incognito Mode. Open a private window in your browser and load SurveyMonkey there. Incognito Mode helps you test the site without old cookies, saved sessions, or extensions causing problems. If it works in private mode, then the issue is probably related to your browser data or an extension. Another great fix is to try a different browser or device. If you're using Chrome, switch to Edge or Firefox. If you're already on a computer, try the same page on your phone or another PC. This helps you find out whether the error is tied to one specific browser or device. Finally, disable any VPN or proxy you may be using. VPNs and proxies can sometimes interfere with how websites connect to their servers, which may trigger a 503 error or block access entirely. Turn off your VPN, disable your proxy settings if needed, and then reload SurveyMonkey. Once again, if the problem was connection-related, this often resolves it right away. So to quickly recap, wait and try again, refresh the page, check your internet connection, clear your cache and cookies, use Incognito Mode, try a different browser or device, and disable any VPN or proxy. Those steps cover the most common reasons SurveyMonkey Error 503 appears. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with another error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.